Our previous video was a ninth level inverter, multi-level cascade inverter, and this was our output. Okay, and in this video we'll um, model our last inverter, which is 11th level cascaded multi-level inverter. Okay, so for 11 level multi-level inverter, similarly we have to copy the last H-bridge and repeating sequence with relational operator block and paste it here. Okay, Control V. Okay. Okay, and we have to connect this branch to this leg, and we have to delete this branch, and we have to connect the voltage measurement block to the last leg of the block, last leg of each piece. Okay, so it is okay, and this circuit is okay, and we have to change the gate signal. Okay, here our last gate signal was G8. Okay, so we have to change it to G9. Similarly it will be G9. Okay, it will be G10, and it will also G10. Okay, so the gate will be G9 and it will be G10. Okay, now we have to connect this to sine wave. It's okay. Now we have to change the repeating sequence output value. Our last output value was 3 to 4. Okay, and this value will be 4 to 5. Okay, so this will be 4, 5, and 4, 5, and 4. Okay, and we have to copy this output value, Ctrl C, and paste it here. Okay, and similarly we have to change the sine wave output amplitude to 4 to 5. Okay, so this is the 11th level cascaded multi-level inverter. Okay, so run this model. Now you can see our 11th level output from 0 to 500 volt. Okay, and it's repeating and so on. So this is the way you can make your cascade multi-level inverter using Simulink, and I have shown all the cascade multi-level inverter from 5 level to 11 level. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.